Hello and welcome to the Bankers Investment Banking Awards 2022. Tonight we're back at Claridge's to celebrate all the winners of the awards this year. I'm Joy McKnight, editor of The Banker, and with me is Marie Kemplay, who's investment banking and capital markets editor at The Banker, who did all the heavy lifting when it came to sifting through the many multitudes of entries, but also worked with our independent panel of judges to come up with the Best Investment Banking Awards for 26 categories. So Marie, what would you say were the main themes this year?
Yeah, so the awards period obviously runs from July to July each year. So July 2021 to July 2022 was really a year of two halves. I think we can put it that way without any without any doubt. So obviously the first 6 months, really busy period of activity. We were seeing a lot of equity capital markets deals, including a lot of IPOs. Bond deals were still going through at quite a robust pace, and a lot of M&A activity as well. But that all kind of came to an end at the beginning of this year, that kind of post-COVID buoyant period, if I can call it that. That optimism really dissipated when we saw Russia's invasion of Ukraine at the start of this year, and some other factors as well, but that really accelerated and amplified some of the kind of negative trends we were seeing in the markets. And since then, it has become a lot harder to do deals. So the banks in the second half of this year, it's really been a lot more difficult market conditions. So as I say, a year of two halves, and the banks that have done well in this second half have really had to, pull out a whole different set of skills to get deals done.
Good evening, and welcome to the celebration of the Bankers Investment Banking Awards 2022. Now on to why we're all here this evening, to celebrate the leading lights of the investment banking world. To come out on top and take home a trophy, every winning bank had to show their mettle and agility in a very challenging and changing market environment.
I don't say this lightly. It is a privilege for me to stand before you, and the reason I say that is because, in my humble opinion, not being from the city, you as investment bankers are at the epicenter of what the City of London is, and today, here, you are the cream of that epicenter. Investment Bank of the Year for Sustainability, I'm pleased to say, goes to Natixis.
So, we are very proud to have won this prestigious award. In 2018, if I remember well, the Banker gave us the award for the most innovative investment bank for climate and sustainability. So this new award definitely confirms our dedication and involvement in responsible finance, but also our leading position in the green space.
For the Investment Bank of the Year for the Americas, and the winner is Scotiabank.
Our strategy is anchored around three key priorities: clients, products, and geographies. And our aspiration has been to be recognized as a leading wholesale bank in the Americas. Therefore, winning this award is a very, very proud moment for our bank and our teams. We've been investing in our capital markets franchise, our sustainable finance business, and our advisory business. And we've definitely seen the dividends of that, but it's more important to be recognized by our customers and our clients who increasingly see us as a go-to bank as they look to do business and invest in the Americas.
So it's true that there is many challenges ahead and along the road. Amongst them, I will mention greenwashing as ESG becomes mainstream, but also ESG data management. I will also mention ESG from a regulatory perspective, as at least in Europe, there is numerous regulations that are now impacting all financial market participants. And last but not least, it is how to deliver a net zero commitment. When it comes to the opportunities, I will say that at Natixis we will definitely reinforce our advisory services, be it on the climate side, so to help our clients to define their energy transition strategy, but also on the regulatory front, as I mentioned, to help them decipher all the ESG regulations that are impacting them.
We've seen a lot of focus on how banks and their customers execute and use technology to execute in the capital market space. In investment banking, the opportunity to use data analytics and technology to collaborate and to work with our customers to again identify opportunities for them. Leveraging content-driven advice, but also leveraging our capability to use data, to use the insights that we have across markets and within specific countries and specific sectors is really a great opportunity. Technology enables that, and data is a key leverage and tool that we want to use with our customers.
The Investment Bank of the Year is BNP Paribas.
We are abiding by a fairly straightforward rule, a self-imposed rule, which is that we seek to support and serve our clients when they need us, not only when it is convenient to us. And what underpins this motto is a constant need for us to adapt to their changing needs, to their future constraints, to their objectives, especially in the rapidly developing market context, economic backdrop that we're all familiar with. Just the same, need for us to adapt in the type of solutions that we develop for them, for example, as they strengthen or revisit their capital structure. And finally, adapting in terms of markets, sequence, timing, funding sources we tap to support those clients as they seek to achieve those goals.
Thank you so much, Joy, and thanks to all of you. It's a privilege to be with all of you tonight and accept this great recognition on behalf of BNP Paribas investment banking teams. Investment banking activities across capital markets, across advisory are key constituents for us at BNP Paribas of the broad-based support and service that we provide to our clients. And we're proud to have a chance and the opportunity to lead a record number of investment banking transactions for them year in and year out. Over the past few years, we've strengthened our IB franchise. We've been building on areas of historical strengths in debt activities. We've been expanding in advisory. We've been further strengthening our ECM and equities franchise with the integration of our own BNP Paribas Exane. But this is first and foremost a message of gratitude to the investment banking teams at BNP Paribas for their hard work on behalf and for the benefit of our clients, for their skills, for their market insight. But obviously, it's first and foremost a message of gratitude to our clients, whose continued trust we value more than anything else, and to whom we are deeply committed. Thank you so much to all.